We're gonna go to Nakhon, Thammarat. We're gonna visit our family, or mine. My sister,
your biological dad, and your uncles.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
That's what we're doing today. Oh, you guys have to check out this stuff. Like the interior, it's lit. It's so lit. Look at this interior. We're at Phuket bus station, Terminal 2, and we're ready. It's a 5-hour trip, so it's gonna be long, and it doesn't have bathrooms, so be prepared. Okay. Are you excited to see your family?
Yeah, really excited. Just prepared my bowel.
And good morning. So yeah, we're now in Nakhon, Thammarat. Did I say it right? Okay. Yeah. So we're in Nakhon, Thammarat, and yeah. So yesterday we came to the hotel, and what happened was that the ventilation, like protection thing, like the plates, they fell on me. So like I have scrapes on my foot and stuff. So that wasn't that good, but we got upgraded to a suite, which is good. But you know, if it would have hit my head, I would have been like on the hospital or something. I don't know, whatever. Yeah. So, and we also went to meet my boyfriend's family yesterday. That was fun. See his sister and his biological dad. That was fun. And yeah, that's why we didn't vlog yesterday, because we wanted it to be personal, and I don't want the first impressions that my in-laws has is that I'm on my camera all the time. And yeah, so today we are going to meet them again, and we're gonna see if his little sister want to go shopping with us or something, but I don't know, she's really shy, so we'll see. Yeah, do we have any other plans?
Going to the temple.
Okay, so yeah, okay, first we're going to the temple, and then we're gonna meet his family. And I think that's it. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Hi guys! So, we're at this temple in Nakhon. It's so hot, so I can barely see because I forgot my glasses. It's so beautiful. It's like all white. It's crazy. So yeah, we're just going around here, and yeah, it's fun. It's a good time. We're shooting some cool things for you guys today. It's gonna be fun.